Over the past few months, an unexpected and welcome easing of tensions between Pakistan and India has occurred. Full stop. A number of confidence building measures have been taken by both sides, and direct high level talks have also taken place in the UAE. Full stop. These developments appear to have been orchestrated by the new US administration. Full stop. Prima facie, there are multiple motives at play, including ensuring orderly conditions for the US retreat from Afghanistan, as well as providing policy space to India to make some cosmetic moves to ease its repression and human rights abuses in Indian occupied Kashmir. Full stop. At the same time, perhaps coincidentally, Pakistan has signaled a major policy shift, a call to bury the past and the rolling out of a geo-economics vision. Full stop. As an aspiration, it represents the right approach and thinking. Full stop. However, the new vision appears to be hold wine in a new bottle, with an ambition of regional connectivity at the heart of it. Full stop. In past iterations, this was a US construct meant to mainly provide an overland route to India, into Afghanistan and Central Asia via Pakistan. Full stop. As a corollary, it was also intended to open up trade between the two hostile neighbors. Full stop. On its own, each of these moves and signals is welcome and much needed. Full stop. However, when they are collectively juxtaposed with geographical shift underway, then a pattern appears to emerge which has functional ramifications for Pakistan. Full stop. The US is embroiled in an escalating strategic competition with China, and now views the rise of China as a foremost threat to its global dominance. Full stop. While US policymakers appear to have adopted a more aggressive and confidential approach to China during the Trump administration, China had been identified as a possible strategic competitor as early as 2002. Full stop. The rise of China's economy and its increasing global share had already raised red flags in Washington, DC. Full stop. However, the crossing by China in the several years of several red lines for US strategic planners upended the controversial thinking within the American security establishment on how to tackle China's rise. Full stop.